Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. I am filming this on December 12th, so I am currently in present day. Yesterday's Vlogmas video was also filmed present day. Yesterday we were in Newport. I'm here with Georgie and Jordan again, and we will be with Liv around 6 o'clock later tonight, so you guys will see her again as well. We have a whole bunch of errands to run today. It is currently 1:14 in the afternoon. We're gonna go to Target. We have to go get Starbucks, of course. Tomorrow is our official trip that we're going on, and we have a lot of last minute things to do. We have to pack up all of our stuff since Jordan and I made ourselves at home here for the 2 days that we've been here.
You don't even want to show them.
No, you're not even gonna see it, but we have to pack everything up. We have to spray our Uggs and our Birkenstocks and any suede type of shoes to make them waterproof and dirt proof and all that. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along on our day, so I'll see you guys in a little bit, but I just wanted to say hey and catch you up on what's going on. I am now getting ready with Jordan yet again. I know you missed this little setup. I completely ruined my entire blush yesterday and I'm pretty upset about it. I just finished my makeup. Say everything you've been waiting to say.
We're going to take photos.
That we are. No, I didn't yet.
Oh, we're going to take photos at the beach and prepare for tomorrow. We're gonna leave at 6:30 a.m.
Oh my goodness gracious. We have an early morning and I'm not quite ready for it.
Did you sleep through your alarm this morning?
My phone was on 2% when I went to bed, so it died in the middle of the night. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear yet, but that is TBD. You guys will see. And also follow and check out my Instagram to see whatever pictures we end up getting.
Hey guys, this is what it takes to do content for EVANGE, is I have to press the elevator button over and over again so it doesn't close while she goes and puts shoes on, because that's just how much I care about the content. And we can't lose this side of the elevator because it's her good side.
This is what my luggage is looking like. This whole side has clothing, and this whole side has sweatshirts, shoes, sweatpants, and accessories like beanies, earmuffs, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So this is all just loaded, super full, and hopefully it will all fit. And we all put the rest of our jackets and some other stuff in a huge duffel that is going to go on the top of Georgie's car. So that saved a lot of room since obviously jackets take up so much space. And right here is Jordan's luggage, so obviously as well she has one luggage. Liv's is already shut, she also has one, and Georgie's is shut as well, she has one too. So together we have 4 luggage and 1 large duffel. We're gonna all shower, probably watch a movie, but we want to get out of the house by 6:30 or 7 tomorrow.
It's giving middle school wake up.
Liv does not get up early, so 6:30 is just not sounding too good for her. We decided for our Secret Santa / White Elephant gifts, we're not going to wrap them. We are going to put them in gift bags with tissue paper, so they are still concealed, but just easier instead of wrapping. And also we have nowhere to put a wrapped gift, so it would probably get destroyed anyway. We'll see you guys in the morning for Vlogmas day 13. Tell them how crazy it was. Yeah, go shower.
Wait, what are we doing now?
How crazy what was?
Our packing experience.
It took 4 days.
No, literally 4 days, but like just this very moment, it took actually, I think, Jordan's playing with my hair, so it's like going out of the clip.
Sorry.
Just being together with everyone again is going to be so fun, but this time completely different vibes, obviously, since it's a winter trip.
Literally opposite vibe.
And not in Hawaii. But I'll see you guys tomorrow and when we are reunited with everyone officially. Good morning, you guys. It is 7:51 in the morning and this is what the car is looking like. We are about to leave to head to Big Bear and we have the entire car packed to the brim. Like there is not a single space or ounce of room. Hold on. We also have the rack on the top of Georgie's car. There's literally just stuff everywhere and yeah, so we are leaving a little bit later than scheduled, but it's okay. Guys,
We also have...
what are we doing? We are officially in Big Bear, California, as you guys can probably tell. We made it from sunshine to snow in the span of 2.5 hours from San Diego. We are now here with McKinley, Katie, and Riley as well. We are so excited. We have officially reunited from the Hawaii trip. And if you guys are new here and have not yet seen all of that footage and that content that we filmed while we were there, be sure to go and check it out. I will leave the playlist link down below from all of the Hawaii vlogs, but these will probably be better because we are just gonna have so much more fun and I'm so excited. And yeah, so also we just finished doing some food shopping and Jordan is currently unloading it all. We are gonna make dinner tonight, bake some cookies, watch some movies, and we're about to get ready to take some pictures before the sun goes down and possibly do some bowling. We don't know yet what the plan is, but we're just gonna have some fun. There is a little tour of the fridge. It's looking very bland, but we got a lot of stuff, so I'm confused where it all is. Here it is. There's a whole bunch of stuff: hot chocolate, baking goods, popcorn, chips. Edikted just threw up in here. So I'm gonna do a little haul of the stuff that I got from Edikted. Starting off with the first thing is this blue sequin skirt. I am so obsessed with this. If I end up going somewhere warm for New Year's, this will definitely be my go-to outfit. It's glistening and shining throughout this entire room right now, and I'm living for it. Black turtleneck with side cutouts like so. So it shows a little bit of the side, and it's just so cute and perfect for layering. Next up, I got a crew neck that just looks like so. It has this really cute graphic. Then I got this, which I'm so excited about. It's just a really cute, simple, chunky sweater. I'm so obsessed with everything. Thank you so much, Edikted. It has been a little bit. I just finished getting ready and I'm going to pick out an outfit and begin to take some photos outside. It is currently 4:12, so we have a little bit before the sun goes down. Luckily, the snow is so bright, so regardless of the sun setting, we'll still have a lot of brightness from the snow. So let's quickly go pick out an outfit and go outside and start taking some photos.
All right, guys, I have one of these, Jordan.
I'm dying. I'm literally dying right now. You just can't make it up. This view is just absolutely beautiful. I decided on this really crazy look right now. I'm wearing a gray jumpsuit, this grayish purple fur scarf, a gray blazer, and of course the gray moon boots. Should I take this off? They're all live right now. This is my bio. McKinley and Katie are now making cookies. I'm so freaking excited. They're all on live right now, but I'm just here editing and I want to share with you guys this little clip of what's going on. And here are the cookies. Oh my goodness, they look so amazing. We're gonna let them cool off. We're all gonna shower, wash up, and get ready to hang out by the couch, watch a movie, and eat all of these and a whole bunch of other snacks as well.